Good morning, dear students. Myself Chandrasekhar. In module number 3 of lesson 11, class 12th, we are going to discuss here about DNA ligase. The enzyme that joins the two sticky ends of DNA, that is called DNA ligase, it acts as a glue. It is used as molecular stitchers in genetic engineering, means to stitch the cut DNA parts from both the ends. DNA ligase was discovered by S.G. Hargobind Khurana. He was born on 9 January 1922 at Raipur, Punjab. Died in the year 2011, November 9, in US. In 1968, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for the interpretation of the genetic code and its functions in protein synthesis. Now, what is vector? The carrier DNA that acts as a vehicle to carry desired gene to the host cell is called vector. For example, like in case of malaria, the mosquito, female Anopheles, act as a vector to carry the pathogens from healthy person to unhealthy person. In the same way, the vectors, they are going to be used to carry our desired DNA genes to the host body. And important vectors like plasmids, phages, plant virus, animal virus, cosmid, and artificial chromosomes. These act as a vector. Now, what is plasmid? Plasmid, the extra chromosomal self-replicating, means do not depend upon the replication of the host body. It is self-replicating in nature. A small circular DNA present in bacteria, that is called plasmid. Next, there is cloning vectors. The plasmid and bacteriophage are used as cloning vectors because it has the ability to replicate within bacterial cells independently. Features of cloning vector. Vector should contain three features for gene cloning. They are ORI, means origin of replication, cloning site, and selectable marker. Selectable marker means that particular piece of gene which is going to be separated or which is going to be changed. So, origin of replication, the sequence of DNA where the replication starts is called ORI site. It helps the desired DNA link with vector also replicates. Cloning sites, the vector containing the recognition site or palindrome for the commonly used restriction enzyme to insert desired gene in the organism. Like here, the example of BAM2 is given. It is having different restriction enzyme with different restricting site or cloning site with them. Host cell. The cell to which desired new gene is introduced is called host cell. Any living cell can be used as host cell. Commonly, E. coli bacteria cell is used as host cell in genetic engineering because it is simple prokaryotic cell, non-pathogenic bacteria, can be cultured easily in the laboratory condition, very short lifespan, self-replicating plasmid, and the plasmid of E. coli can be easily handled as vector. Thank you. Have a nice day.